come here on this side here, and it's going to be 2.5 inches underneath that there. Right, we're looking at this here. There's two layers of wood. Okay, so this one here now is that 2 and a bit. Down here it's going to be okay, that one there. So I need a bit of wood there to go through, and it's got to connect up on there. So if you do that, you can get a bit of wood and screw it in on the side. I don't know about that. No. Okay. And then down this end here, down this upper end near the stairs is this one here. Okay.